everyone, this is Debolna. Aji apnalokole loi ahisu ekhon sinaki mukh, the very popular and stunning TV celebrity Nia Sharma.
Namaskar Ohom, ki khobor?
Hello Nia, welcome.
Hi Debolina.
Okay, Nia, you look beautiful and gorgeous in this Assamese attire. So I would like to ask, how is it coming to Assam, and that too being the showstopper for the 25th International Guwahati Trade Fair?
Nothing feels greater. You just said it. How do you feel being the showstopper? And anybody would like it here. So it's been long that I've been dressing up as this chick. Very funky and all modern and all that. But suddenly it's a great change after my last show, Jamai Raja.
Okay.
So I didn't really dress up like this too often. But this time I'm dressing up for Meghna, and this is a Meghla chadar, right?
Yes.
And I feel like I'm a newlywed girl. I don't know. I just feel that I've just been married. This is like typical Indian look. So I'm liking it. I'm enjoying it.
So is this your first time to Assam, or you have visited earlier?
No, as a kid, I came here with my family. My father got us here, and we'd gone to Shillong, Mizoram, Kohima, and at Guwahati. I especially remember going to Kamakhya Temple. So I'm especially here to visit all these places, revisit all these places, and really those memories. I
Rekindle
made
all
us
those
kid,
memories,
right?
yes.
So it's been a pleasure being here, and I'm just waiting to walk the ramp right now.
And yes, I would like to ask, to bag the title as the second most sexiest women, Asian women. So, and that too for the second time. So, how does it feel?
I don't know, it's flattering, and I would just give it to my fans for always keeping me on this list always. Other than that, I am just another average looking girl, and people know that, and I know it in my heart, so nothing goes ahead.
And your web series directed by Vikram Bhatt was so popular, and your fans
watched it?
Yeah,
People have watched it.
People
Yeah,
have watched
that's
it
so
here as well, and your fans are desperately waiting to see a sequel. So would you love to say something about it?
The sequel is in the process. They're writing episodes, and I think we've achieved 4 episodes by now. So once the entire script is in place, we'll start shooting. I think hopefully this month, and I'm starting Twisted 2. But I'm really glad people watched it here. I mean, it's great.
Yeah, they do.
Surprise.
And okay, starting from serials, and then you have the stunts in Khatro Ke Khiladi season 8. So how was the entire experience?
I loved it. I have liked the journey that I've lived in this industry. How I've come, from being a little naive girl, I've transformed into this girl who knows everything. And yes, I like my journey. And then especially doing Khatro Ke Khiladi was one of the best experiences that I've ever had.
And also, I would like to ask, when we talk about Nia Sharma, you are the youth icon, and people follow you a lot on social media. So they want to know what's the the mantra, your fitness mantra. How do you maintain yourself?
I don't. I mean, I'm just okay. I'm not happy. No girl is happy with her weight. But I've just started gym, and then about me having a fan following, I don't think I lag way too behind than other of my contemporaries, and they're way too ahead. And there's a long way to go. There's so much to learn, and I'm just experimenting, with my clothes, with my looks, with my hair, with my makeup. I experiment each day. So I think few things get noticed, few things get trolled, few things get criticized, but it's all okay. It's all part of your life, right? So,
right. And what if you get an offer to work for Assamese movies? Would you love to?
I would love to. I mean, look at me. I'm not looking pretty, so I would love to. Yeah, somebody just make me look like an Assamese nice girl. So yeah.
And lastly, any message for the people of Assam?
I thank you for having me here, and I've been received really with a lot of warmth, and that speaks a lot, and thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, Nia, so much for your time, and we hope that you do your great in your future, and we hope to see you again in Guwahati.
Thank you.
আৰু এয়া আছিল আমাৰ লগত জনপ্ৰিয় অভিনেত্ৰী নিয়া শৰ্মা। আপোনালোকলৈ পুনৰ লৈ আহিম আৰু এগৰাকী নতুন চেলিব্ৰিটি। তাৰ বাবে চাই থাকক চিনেমা 18।